Hi, everybody. Welcome to today's edition of Blockchain and Crypto. Today, July 5th, Monday, with your host, Kyle Ellicott. Big thank you to the Token team, to Maria and Hasmick for making today's episode possible. Let's jump right in to what's happening in the industry today and a little bit over the weekend as well. Kicking us off first, only a few days following the state of Wyoming's new law recognizing DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, as a distinct form of limited liability company has gone into effect. The Wyoming Secretary of State's office announced that CryptoFed had become the first legally recognized DAO in the United States. Wyoming recently became the first state in the United States to pass legislation recognizing DAOs as a distinct form of an LLC. Now, this law recently went into effect, as I mentioned previously, at midnight on July 1st, 2021. So again, only a few days after that law has been into effect, we now have the very first legally recognized DAO here in the United States. Next up, JYP Entertainment, the South Korean entertainment conglomerate that includes K-pop acts and stars from 2PM and Twice, along with many others, has unveiled a plan to partner with blockchain company Dunamu, and who is also the operator of Korea's biggest crypto trading platform, Upbit, to set up a K-pop dedicated non-fungible token, or NFT, platform. Now, we've heard rumors previously that JYP wanted to get into the non-fungible token space. We had seen a lot of other activity around similar companies in entertainment in South Korea and K-pop. Now, this is a big move for the entertainment conglomerate, so we'll continue to stay tuned on how this develops and which pop stars may be involved first. Next up, the Philippine Stock Exchange, or PSE, the National Stock Exchange of the Philippines, wants to provide crypto trading when the Philippines Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, and other regulators have not only approved it, but also have given further guidelines on how the country will be looking and how the local citizens should be using cryptocurrencies as well. Next up, with a cashless society and payments already on the rise in Vietnam, Vietnamese Prime Minister has asked the country's central bank to begin piloting a cryptocurrency program beginning in this year, 2021, until 2023. While the central bank had previously stressed that cryptocurrencies are not legally recognized in Vietnam, it has hope that this pilot, along with others, will help to accelerate the process by recognizing the pros and cons of digital currencies and implementing an appropriate management or governance system throughout the country as well. And this is not the only news we're seeing throughout Southeast Asia, or Asia as a whole right now, around central bank digital currencies and digital currencies as a whole. There is more news that we'll be talking about later this week around Japan and their rollout or pause around central bank digital currencies as well. Next up, Ukrainian online banking app Monobank has completed a pilot integration with a cryptocurrency trading platform and is now seeking approval from the National Bank of Ukraine to launch its Bitcoin debit card that will allow customers to buy, sell, and transact with Bitcoin and potentially other currencies in the future later this month here in July. Monobank and its team expects to release new features amongst these as well later this month, pending the final approval from the National Bank. And one of the largest of Southeast Asia's banks, Shinhan Bank, has become the first traditional financial institution and bank within Korea to join Klaytn's governance council. The bank is looking to play an active role in decision making, along with co governance and developing various Klaytn based digital services targeted towards fostering a greater fintech ecosystem as well. All right, everybody, that's a quick rundown of what's happening today in blockchain and crypto. I'm your host, Kyle Ellicott. Stay tuned for much more. Follow me everywhere on social media at Kyle Ellicott. We'd love to hear what you're building, what you're working on. And we'll be back here tomorrow with more of what's happening in the industry as well. With that, everyone, have a wonderful day. See you soon.